First, you need an email. Then you need to prepare a domain name, which is the name of your website. For example, my domain name is olup.com. We started by hosting. In open URL, choose the language to English or switch to another language. Choose WordPress hosting. We choose WordPress starter. Add to cart. We choose plan 1 year. A domain name will be giveaway. You needn't buy a domain again. Enter the domain name we prepared. We searching. We click check out now. And choose to register with the Google account. Choose your Google account. And choose credit card payment. But you also can choose PayPal or others. Fill in the credit card information. Click Pay now. Payment successful. Click Start now. Choose a domain name. Register domain name. Fill in the corresponding information. Finish register. Select build a new website. There set a password. And click continue. Click skip up. Skip, I don't need this. Here we can choose the server address according to the location of the target audience and choose Europe. Click finish setup. Your website is already. Choose Manage WordPress. Our WordPress was created successful.